In this video, we are going to see how to do string concatenation using Python. I am using Python 3.x version. You can use any other versions you want. This is one of the important program. They will be asking in coding rounds, and also they will be asking in TR rounds too. First, let me explain what is meant by string concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Let's take an example of apple and orange. Now these are two strings we are having. After concatenation, it will be like this. It will be added up, or else like this. This is called as a string concatenation. Let we do using Python here. First, let we print some statements like enter your first string. Then enter your second string. Okay. First string will be s1. Second string will be s2. After concatenation, concat output is slash like print. In C, it's very simple to do string concatenation. Just use plus symbol. That means use plus symbols to do concatenation. Let me give here a new line. Now let me run our code. First, it will ask for your first string. I am giving apple. Then it will ask for second string. I am giving orange. After concatenate output, it will be like apple orange. This is one type of concatenation. If you want any space in between, you just use like this space plus. You can use a plus operation to do concatenation. Let me take let me see with space output. I'm running code again. The first string is like apple, second string is like orange. Now you can see the space. You can also give here minus underscore star brackets, whatever you want you can use here. The other way of doing concatenation is by using join. Inside join, you want to specify in array like this. That's it. This is another way of concatenation. Let me check the output. First apple, orange. See, after concatenation, it will be like in order to give a space, you can use space here. Let's see the output. Like apple, orange. Now you can able to see the space here. This is another way of doing string concatenation, and also we can use other way too, like this percentage s space percentage s. After that percentage s1 comma s2. This is another way of concatenation. Let me run the code again. Like apple, sorry, I want to type here apple, orange. See, this is another way of concatenation. If you don't want space, you can leave space. You can delete space here. If you want to specify any symbols, you can use plus equal to plus, or you can use any wordings like apple is orange, apple is better than orange, like that. you can specify. These are some ways of doing concatenation.